Hi friends, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen, and if you're new here, my name is Jen and today we are going to make pork stew. Now I added garbanzo beans. I used canned garbanzo beans, drained them, and then remove the outer skin. It is not very pleasurable to chew on those outer skin of the garbanzo beans. I also added a little bit of smoked paprika just to boost the flavor of this dish. So let's go ahead and make the best pork stew.
Whenever I make a stew, I'd like to add all the spices in one bowl and mix them all together, then add at the beginning of cooking because they release those nice flavor. Now in a bigger pot, add some olive oil, and then you're going to add the onion and saute until it is tender. The onion will release that nice sweet flavor, and then you're going to add the garlic, continue sauteing, and now it's time to add all those spices, and then you're going to add the pork and cook them until they're slightly brown, and then add the tomato paste. And now after adding the tomato paste, you'll combine everything, and then you're going to add the potatoes. Make sure that the potatoes are soaking in water while you're prepping the rest of the ingredients so it does not turn brown. And then you're going to add the garbanzo beans, add the pepper, and then add the honey. Honey adds this really nice earthy sweetness to the dish. And now it's time to add the chicken broth, and then cover the pot and simmer it for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then add your green peas.
Okay friends, I hope you make this dish, and don't forget to come back to this video and then let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. If you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. This is really a very flavorful